If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press all bell icon. Then only you will get notification for all my upcoming and interesting videos. This is wallputty clay. The link for making of this perfect wallputty clay is in the description box below. Let these petals set for at least 8 hours. After almost 8 hours, the petals are completely dry. We got a beautiful imprints of the veins on the petals. Let this set for at least 4 to 5 hours. Once the lemon yellow is completely dry, I am applying a wash of golden yellow in a water-like consistency so that the vein will get more pronounced. Let this dry completely before we go for the next process. I am using black M-seal. Press it, let it set for at least half an hour. Then it will be easy for you to cut with the scissors. I am applying brown acrylic paint. I am applying second coat of varnish once the first coat is completely dry.